Oh wow, now this is a secret. Of any villa that I have done as a video in the last 12 months, this is the secret gem, the icing on the cake. It is a 5-bedroom, extremely huge plot villa here in the heart of a brand new community, as in a secret community that I have never covered before. Repeat, this is the very first time I have ever done this community. This property is an incredible price right now, so all the details are below on the description. If you want to know the location, you are going to have to call me and message me, and you'll have a link to my WhatsApp. But let's turn around the camera and let's show you this incredible home. So it is a 5-bedroom villa. This is the front door, and as we walk in, because there's so much to see, I'm kind of going to take you around in order. I mean, look at that. Look, check that out. The wine cellar in its own glass case, no less. Isn't that stunning? Just like perfectly perched there under the staircase. Okay, so we come in the front door, and on your left here, you've got this very cool, trendy kind of like adult hangout room. Very, very arty and creative, these owners. So really nice, the TV there, can just chill out. And then you've got the downstairs powder room, of course, which is really nice. And then if you come through here, we've done the stairway and the wine cellar. So you've got another little cool hangout here. You've got lots of land. So you've got like the kids' trampoline at the front, and you've got the lengths pool all the way down the garden. We'll go out there in just a second. You've got this massive, massive living area and this huge open plan kitchen. And I'm absolutely loving, just check this out. It's just wow. So if you're into cooking, this is definitely your dream home. And the dining area, I mean, there's so much space. It's very, very open plan, so it feels really, really spacious. Let's come back over here. So you've got another hangout area, and I love the fact there's some like kiddie books there. They can just pick and delve as they want. And again, the little, well, the lengths pool is going down through the garden and then out to the main swimming pool here. Now, what I love about this property, let's just pan around here. What I love is you're right on the park. So literally, I know for a fact that this family don't see their kids when they come in from school, because they disappear in the park, playing around the kids, and they don't come home till dinner time. And as a parent, that's literally what you want in a home, right? So let's check out the outside, because it really is incredible. So this is the swimming pool, which is nicely tucked on one corner. It's not in the way. It's all safety proof for the fencing, and a beautiful swimming pool finish as well. And then there we have, you see, you've got a little swing chair, and you've got a lengths pool here. You've got a seating area, and then this lovely main garden area, so the kids can play football here in the garden, depending on the age of your kids. That's the gate out to the fence, to the park. So look at that. There's so many of you in the past that have actually called me and said, I want a house on the park so I can watch my kids. Well, this is it. And then look at this amazing entertainment area. So you've got your pizza oven here, you've got barbecue potential, and then obviously storage. You can fit fridges, etc. here. Lovely outside seating area for the family for dinner. And then look, yep, it has literally everything, this house. This is an outside office. So, and it's completely self-contained. It's got its own toilet, completely closed off, air conditioned. So you have your own external office stroke workshop where you are not hindered by the family. So, I mean, gosh, is it just ticking off boxes? Because it is for me. Now let's go around the side of the house, because it's just beautiful. So you've got the maid's room here. She's got her own kitchen, bathroom, totally self-contained. And then in this room, you've got the laundry. So again, it's all outside of the house. So the house is really very much for living only. And then if we come back through the kitchen, so we're coming back through the kitchen here, which is actually the door to the garage and the cars. And you've got more fridge here, and then back through into the kitchen. So now let us go upstairs. Are you like about to call me right now? I mean, because honestly, what a villa, what a home. So as we come up the stairs, you just see the sense of space everywhere. And we've got 5 bedrooms up here, 5. So let's walk around. It's bedroom 1, which is like the baby room. And again, look, I mean, it's so green everywhere. It's got its own little bathroom, ensuite. The beauty of houses here in the Middle East is most houses now they all have ensuite. Look at this, amazing, another kiddie room. Just incredible, again with its own ensuite bathtub as well, I love that. Really high ceiling. Got another bedroom in here, great guest room, or another kiddie's bedroom, all with ensuite. Love this one. And then another at the back of the house, and now this is facing towards the park. Another kids' room, which I love. Check out that park, right? I mean, that's the park. That's literally outside your house. Again, an ensuite. Look at that amazing whale. All built-in wardrobes. And finally, we come to the master, which is a lovely, lovely, spacious room. Look at this. Huge, absolutely huge. Right there on the park. It doesn't get much better than that. And then down to your garden. Here we have it. And then in here you've got your bathroom, again, which is really spacious. Loving this green colour scheme. You've got your sitting tub, massive shower. I love that wall as well. Here we have it. And then the walk-in wardrobes, which of course you can, change and upgrade as you see fit. So that is this house. Now, would you not agree with me that it just, as I'm walking around, does it not tick every box for you? It really